feeling overwhelmed and exhausted, but still pushing forward with unwavering determination. The journey of a young mom is a testament to the incredible strength and resilience within her. Join us as we celebrate the power, the purpose, and the endless possibilities of being a young mom on a mission to inspire and motivate. Stay tuned for a heartwarming story of love, growth, and triumph in the face of adversity. Being a mom is one of the toughest jobs in the world. It's a constant balancing act of taking care of your children, your home, and yourself. But despite the challenges, being a mom is also one of the most rewarding experiences. It's a journey of love, growth, and endless possibilities. It's important to remember that you are not alone in this journey. There are other moms out there who are going through the same struggles and triumphs as you. Surround yourself with a community of strong, supportive women who can lift you up when you're feeling down and celebrate with you when you succeed. Remember, you are capable of achieving anything you set your mind to. Your dreams are valid, and your potential is limitless. So keep pushing forward, keep striving for greatness, and never forget the incredible impact you have on your children and the world. You